Hey guys, today we will learn 35 opposite words for class 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. If you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe. So fast, small, big, rich, poor, new, old, easy, difficult. Cool, hot, dry, wet, soft, hard, beautiful, ugly. Fresh, stale, good, bad, able, disabled, discouraged, clever, dull, early, late. Happy, sad, foolish, wise, possible, impossible, equal, unequal, thin, thick. Urban, ruler, strong, weak, safe, unsafe, honest, dishonest, perfect, imperfect. Lucky, unlucky, careful, careless, sweet, bitter, young, old, guest, host. Lazy, active, kind, cruel, important, unimportant, full, empty, enemy, friend.